DM44 series of 2023. So I think this is the third time na pag-uusapan ko na sa DM44. Next, NAEAP Priority PD Programs for teachers, school leaders, and teaching-related personnel. Next is the guidelines on the utilization of FY 2025 HRD Fund. And last po yung ating mga PRC forms. So, yung DM44 po natin, DM44 series of 2023, this is the interim guidelines for the quality assurance and monitoring and evaluation of the National Educators Academy of the Philippines core programs. Kung tatandaan po natin doon, sino po yung mga nakapagpa-CPD na? Ayan. Meron po tayong 4. Si Ma'am Jo, yung unang-una po natin sa gabay. Si Ma'am Sheila, Sir Terry, Sir Duyan, and Sir CJ. So, una ko pong hiningi sa inyo, kung tatandaan niyo po, ay yung inyong PD design. Tama po? May number of minutes, sinong speaker, ano yung topic niya, tapos meron pong PPST indicators na inihingi. So, isa po yun sa mga dapat natin i-prepare, no, for this part. So, what is DM44? Sabi po dito, ang DM44 ay number 1, quality assurance, and number 2, ito ay monitoring and evaluation ng NAEAP core program. So, ibig sabihin po, mula doon sa ating pagpo-propose, hanggang doon po sa pinaka-end noong ating programa, dapat po, fina-follow natin yung enclosures ng DM44. So, yan po yung mga NAEAP forms natin. Sige, next. Ayan. So, sabi po dito, ang scope daw po ng memorandum na ito, this memorandum provides guidelines on the design, development, delivery, and evaluation of DepEd Central Office initiated professional development programs aimed at ensuring the continuous development and provision of quality PD programs to DepEd teachers and school leaders. Ito po yung mahalaga. Only DepEd Central Office, bureaus, services, units may design, develop, and submit proposed professional development programs for teachers and school leaders to NAEAP for the purpose of obtaining quality assurance certification and consequent inclusion into the NAEAP core programs. Ito po yung dahilan kung bakit yung pondo natin last year ay diba naka-hold po lahat nung fund natin. Kasi nga, pinrohibit tayo ni DM44 into designing our own PD programs in the division